This is another video from Randy from Techbook Geeks, and today I'm going to show you how to hack your 5.0 firmware on your PSP. You're going to have to download two things. You're going to have to download the firmware, and then you're going to have to download the PSP tool, which will allow you to make a magic memory stick, and then allow you to make Pandora's battery, and then allow you to make the custom firmware. Alright, so first off, you're going to go back and then you go all the way up to USB setting, USB connection. Now I'll open up the folder. Then what you're going to do is you're going to drag the 500.pbp file that you download into the first directory that you find as ISO, MP root, music, picture, PSP, SE plugins, TM video. You drag the 500.pbp file in there, and then you're going to go over to PSP, and then into the games folder. It's just regular game. You drag the PSP tool into there, and that's all you do. And then you're going to exit out of this, and then you're going to exit out of the USB connection, and then you're going to go over to game, and then down to memory stick. And then you're going to click PSP tool. And this will allow you to make a Pandora's battery and a magic memory stick, which is the things you need to do to hack your firmware. Alright, then we're going to go down to memory stick options. And you're going to go all the way down, see where it says create magic memory stick. You're going to click that. And then you're going to find the firmware that you have. Of course, I have the 5.0 firmware, so I'm going to scroll all the way down to 5.0. It has the 3.71, 3.8, 3.9, 4.01, and 5.0 firmwares. So, magic memory stick information. There you go. It'll scroll through some stuff, but I already had a magic memory stick made. Alright, I guess I'll override it so you can see what it looks like. It's almost done. if you want, you can. Alright, now it's done. Alright, it's been created. So you click back again, back again, and then go to battery options. This is where you'll create a Pandora's battery. You go all the way down and then you click convert to service mode. It says the current battery serial number is already set to that. So basically I already have Pandora's battery. But that's what you need to do. And then you follow the commands and stuff, and then you'll create yourself a Pandora's battery. Alright, so then you're going to exit out of this application. And then you will completely power it off, so hold the power switch for a few seconds. And then it's completely powered off. And then you wait for the power button to go away. Now, next, you hold the square button. And then you power it on. Oops. You just continue to hold the square button until you see a menu. Alright, there we go. This is where you actually hack your firmware. You can also restore it to the original firmware. See, it says install 5.0 M33 or install 5.0 official firmware. OFW is official firmware. Alright, so then you just click install 5.0 M33 and you will have the firmware. Yes, I'll go ahead and do that and show you. It's basically the same exact thing as updating your firmware, pretty much. And then it'll just reboot and you will have the custom firmware. And you'll be able to run homebrew games and stuff like that on it. You can download emulators to play Nintendo 64, Game Boy games. There's a bunch of other emulators out there that you can download. I haven't had a hacked PSP in a while, so yeah. The reason why I did this was because my PSP was bricked, and I didn't feel like paying $100 to get it fixed, so I just hacked it, pretty much. I never play my PSP a whole lot, but I do play it sometimes. And this Magic Memory Stick will actually allow you to restore it directly to the official firmware. So if you have any problems and you want to take it into Sony or whatever, this will allow you to do it. It's almost done. Sorry. This install is complete. A shutdown or a reboot is required. Oops. I guess reboot. And then I'll just reboot you like normally. It's gonna go directly to the game, isn't it? Alright, now to make sure that you have the custom firmware, scroll down to System Settings and then scroll the way down to System Info, which is the second one from the bottom. You should see 5.0 M33-4. That is the custom firmware. If you have that, then you're good. And you'll be able to download homebrew, emulators, any of that stuff. If you like my video, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And this has been another video from Randy from the Tech Geeks, and I'll see you guys later.